Welcome. In this video, we are going to introduce IntelliMOOC, Intelligent Online Learning Framework for MOOC platforms. The IntelliMOOC consists of two phrases. The first phrase is the offline process, and the second one is the online process. In the offline process, we collected data from Khan Academy and pre-processed them with NLP techniques. As a result, we got videos, questions, and captions datasets. Next, in the online module, we have a question quality classifier, confusion classifier, and video recommender system. While a student is studying, the system observes their behavior using the confusion classifier. The confusion classifier will encourage the student to ask a question or give them an additional explanation from Wikipedia if the student is confused. When the student asks a question, the question quality classifier will detect whether it is an actual question. Then, the video recommender will give the student answers with top 5 ranked videos that are the most related to their question. That is what the IntelliMOOC.
But why we need it? Due to the growth of massive open online course or MOOC, the number of enrolled students is millions now, even in a course. Accordingly, the instructors or even with teacher assistants cannot interact with all enrolled students. Consequently, the discussion forum and social learning network are leveraged to facilitate student-to-student learning. However, there are still some problems, especially no response or late response to the student's question that may cause duplicated questions and early dropout. In the traditional classroom, when students ask questions, they hope to get an answer immediately. With the same situation but happened in MOOC, the student will get the answer promptly if they are lucky enough. It means that the instructors, teacher assistants, or the other students who can answer their question are online at that moment. However, lots of students are so unlucky. In MOOC, millions of questions can be asked at the same time. A student may ask many questions, while one question also may be asked by many students. Besides, if some students ask the same question that was previously asked by the others, their questions can be abandoned, causing unnecessary duplicated or redundant questions. At last, those earlier mentioned problems may cause the well-known common problem in MOOC, which is an early dropout. That is the reasons why we presented the IntelliMOOC. Let's take a look at our ongoing prototype. The first one is the intelligent agent with confusion detection. And the second one is the faster question answering system. Before showing the prototype, we will describe our components on the screen first. The most left sidebar is lesson list. This is for navigating through each lesson in a course, which is the same in every MOOC platform. Next to the sidebar is our proposed environment. It composes of 6 components. 1. Video player. 2. Intelligent agent. 3. Explanation card. 4. Question input box. 5. Recommended answer set. And 6. Answered video player. Regarding the intelligent agent with confusion detection, we are going to show you how it will work. While the students watching the course video, the system will collect and detect the student behavior as a log if they make the other action than just watching the video, such as seeking, navigating, or pausing the video. When the intelligent agent detects the student's confusion, it will display a pop-up dialog to ask the student whether they are really confused or not. Then, the agent receives the feedback to update its classifier and give further explanation on that topic if the student is confused. Besides, the student can study by himself if the provided summary is not enough for his understanding via the link presented under the explanation. Next, in the faster question answering system, we will describe how the system will answer a student's question. In this scenario, if a student has a question while watching the video, they can immediately search or ask a new question directly under the video player. The search function applies to the question that has already been asked by other students. The results are sorted by the number of how many times that question has been asked. In case of asking a new question, the system will answer that question as a top 5 ranked video clips with the specific start time in which the answer possibly begins. Students can decide to select a video by comparing the answer rate of each video clip. The answer rate is computed from the similarity between the question and the answer in the video. Besides, after the student watches the selected video, he can provide feedback to the system whether the solution is helping him understand the course content better or not. The system will then recompute the answer rate by that feedback to make the prediction more accurate over time. Thank you for watching our video.